Today we are building tiny houses for homeless veterans. This is in a neighborhood in Savannah. We are putting up 11 houses today.
This project has been started actually several years ago to benefit the homeless veterans of our area. And Savannah area Realtors has been given the opportunity to step in, and we're glad for this to be our first day to get involved, and hopefully the first of many.
I have no construction experience. I don't know what the heck I'm going to do, but I can swing a hammer with the best of them.
Good morning. I'm Cindy Kelly. I'm the Executive Director of the Chatham Savannah Authority for the Homeless, and we are here at the Cove at Dundee, better known as the Tiny House Project. This is a really exciting day because we have a really large group of volunteers that are actually putting up all the walls for Village 2 as well as the clubhouse. This has been a project 5 years in the making.
We're so excited to be here and be a part of this project. It's a great project to help our community just to be a better place.
The units are 16 by 8. They're 128 square feet, and they contain a bathroom with a walk-in shower, a kitchenette, a place to sit and sleep, a small television, and everything the homeless veterans will need in order to live comfortably. They will also be paying rent at $240 a month. This is considered very affordable housing, and it's part of our mission at the Chatham Savannah Authority for the Homeless to ensure that we eliminate homelessness by ensuring people have a place to live.
Here's one that's in the works. Framed, we've got windows in, we've got plumbing and electrical.
These units will share a deck. Most units will share a deck. Some in the middle of each village will have their own small deck. But there'll be a chair and a table on every deck. One of the homes will actually be an on-site clinic. And the J.C. Lewis Federally Qualified Healthcare Clinic in our community is actually staffing that for us.
I'm having a little bit of camera envy. Like, these guys are serious.
We are in the middle of a capital campaign. We still have a little ways to go, but we've made substantial progress, and we couldn't have done it without the many, many hours of volunteer time. It's really, really helped move us along.
To learn more about how you can donate your time or resources to this project, call the number on your screen.